검찰, 경찰을 장악하는 데 일주일, 대통령 아들 장현실 파헤치는 데 일주일. 시간은 충분해. 그쵸?
이번 시작이야. 저녁 뉴스엔
I am getting ready to go see my friend. I don't know what to wear yet. It's quite cold today actually, even though it's July. Apply concealer. I'm just gonna do lip liner and then a pink lip tint, which has been my go-to lately. Just gonna brush up. I just put my hair up in a hair clip like that and then leaving the current bangs down. My top is from Brandy Melville and my skirt is also from Brandy Melville. This is my Yesstyle makeup and skincare haul. My friend gave me this Laneige lip sleeping mask. It's so cute. This is a mini version and it smells really good. It smells like strawberries. And then my friend also gave me this face mask from Mediancer. She says that this is the best face mask she has ever used, so I have super high hopes for it. I can't wait to try it. Maybe I'll use it like tomorrow. I'll see if I have time. And then another skincare thing that I got is the Celimax Heartleaf BHA peeling pad. You guys, I have so many toner pads that I need to finish, but I'll save this one for when I'm done with those. But I can't wait to try it out. Very minimal packaging, but the color is very pretty. This is the Beauty of Joseon Matte Sun Stick. I've seen that this one is very mattifying, so I think it will be good for touching up, especially in the summer. For me, the selling point is the applicator. It has this like round plastic applicator. Actually, it's silicone. Oh my god, you guys, wait, it's silicone. I didn't know it was silicone. Anyways, it looked intriguing and it looked like it would be fun to use. So I'm sure the formula is great as well. And then I stocked up on one of my favorite mascaras. This is the Romand Han Oh Fix Mascara in Long Curl. Another product that I've been using for many years is the Etude Drawing Eyebrow. I got it in a lighter shade this time because I want to see if I can pull off lighter brows. This is in the shade Grey Brown. I'm super excited about this. This is the Tier My Glow Rosy Lip Oil. It's supposed to have a tint. So let's see. Oops. Oh, yeah. It has... Oh, it smells... Oh my god, it smells just like roses. This is the light pink version of the white workout jacket that I bought recently. I really like the white one, so I decided to get a pink one as well. I can't wait to wear it. I actually got two of the same vest, but they're different colors. So this is the black one. It's a halter neck top. And then I also got the white version, or the cream version. This is today's grocery haul. I got smoked salmon, and then I got these super cute radishes. Let me show you how cute. I'm gonna make a salad with these. And lastly, I got some sweet potatoes. These are the long ones. I got two of these. This is chicken vindaloo. And then I got some plain naan. This should be the rice. They even included some salad. That's nice. They gave me so much rice. Oh my god. Yeah, I don't think I'll be able to finish all of this. Just leave it like that. Yeah, just like that. This is a lot of naan. Okay, like that. Okay, I'm just gonna. Oh, it's actually quite spicy. I just got this new facial razor today. I was doing some research on what would be a good facial razor, and a lot of people recommended this one from Tweezerman. It looks like this, and then you have like some replacement blades here. You can also buy these blades separately if you want to, but yeah, they give you 2 extra, which is nice.